that's what it looks like inside there, and this is what we're going to change. And what we have to do here. Okay, can you see what we're doing? Taking out all these staples. I don't know why it's been stapled, but anyways, it is what it is.
Always there's industrial staple gun, you know, not organic.
That's why I'm not.
Otherwise they can fall out when you wire it's coming out. You don't have to staple it down.
Yeah, that's why I'm not damaging it.
Somewhere I know had an industrial stapler, but I don't know where. Maybe at home.
Oh, that's fine, don't worry. We'll use a normal stapler.
We'll glue it.
No normal stapler. And magic. You want to see magic happen? Okay, it should come out.
If you take all of them.
Oh, wait. We need to. Something needs to come apart. I think.
The cover don't come off. The cover.
No. There we go. Then it's off. I don't know if this cover comes out. Must come out somehow. Let's find out.
No, they don't.
Okay. What we have to do is we have to pull it through. We're going to flip it over and we're going to try and staple it into here.
Not staple it, glue it.
Might be a little bit difficult to staple it.
Glue it.
Okay. Okay, let's just get it all through and then we'll figure that thing out.
Glue it. Partly you have is alright.
Right, yeah?
Yeah, just holding it, don't pull back.
We have to, delicate process, because I don't want to take this whole thing apart. Rubber champ. Okay. There we go. Yeah, we'll make it all nice. Okay, next. Have to put this one in here. Oh, this one's easy. So that one comes straight through. Okay. There we go. That one's through.
Two more.
There. Two more to go. Okay.
Now that's the problem when you try to let the other one come out maybe.
No. We'll put it all in little by little. I think the last one's going to be difficult to get in. Okay. That one's through. Okay. There we go.
And the last one.
Okay, that one's through. Okay, looking good. And now we've got to get the last one through. Okay, let's get the middle section in.
Why is it gap there?
I don't know, we'll figure it out now.
Screwdriver you can push it inside.
Yes, we're going to get there now. Okay, so there's the gap there.
It's too thick there. It's too thick, the battery out there.
Yeah, let's go in. There we go. There we go.
car is that?
What car is it?
I don't know. Not yours. Here, press it in here. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. I'll just shift this over a little bit.
Something is not right here, Liam. Not other way around go. That was guy in the back and
Maybe.
that's huh?
Maybe.
Because you see there.
No, they're both about the same thickness, you see.
No, but it's not. You see?
Yeah, no one has to pull.
Okay.
Okay, out with the old, in with the new. Let's put this thing back together. Let's figure it out. Okay, we have to put this in there. Gotta get this thing through a little hole over here. And while we're doing this, we've got another little trick that's been sorted. Okay, that goes in there, and in she goes. There we go. In she goes. Okay, it looks a little bit okay, not terrible, but anyways, that's what happens when you put it in there. I've got it, thank you. We'll turn this nut upside down so that locks onto there, and we give this thing a little bit of a polish. Maybe. Okay, on this bitch goes. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we are, and let's give it a little turn. Okay, we'll lift that up there, gives that a lock. Okay, all we've got to do is hold that in place. And in she goes. A little bit poofy, but yeah, man, it looks good. Yes. Okay, time to bolt everything back together. Pop up. I don't know why I took these out. I'm not taking the whole center console apart, so I just got to put those things back in, and then I am a for away. Okay, there we go. 2 screws over there. These 2 little bad boys go inside here. Once those are done, Bob is your uncle. You can clip everything back together. Okay, screwdriver. There we go. Oh, it's tight. Why is it so tight? It's not that tight. It just felt tight. Okay, once this thing goes in, and do not forget to plug your cigarette lighter back in case you need to charge a phone or something. In case you need to charge a phone or something. There we go. That goes in there. Where is everything I'm looking for? That's it here. So later on, what I'm going to be doing is I will be taking my rear seats out, because no rear seats means less weight, which means able to go somewhat faster. Okay, that's in, and all you got to do is push this back in, push this little thing behind there, and clip, 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 clip. Done and dusted.